press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello student and welcome back to a social study class. Dear children, I hope that the chapter how our earth looks was clearly understood by you all, and by now you must well with new term you came across that chapter. Now are you ready to explore new term? Yes. Now we came to know the next chapter, the earth neighbors. Okay, the earth neighbors. So here we already know how our earth looks. Okay, how our earth looks, we already know that. So here we know the solar system and also the horizon, coast, and then how our earth looks, about the globe and map, then continents, oceans. This all we know already. Yes or no? Yes. So here now we will know about the earth neighbors. The earth neighbors. So here we all have the neighbors now. So we all have the neighbors. We all are help with each other, isn't it? So here we are going to know about the neighbors of the earth. Okay. So we all know that the sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west, isn't it? So sun is very important to us. Sun is very important. So here we know that the sun shines brightly. Without the sun, the plants can't produce food, isn't it? So here, sun shines brightly in the daytime. So here it is not seen in cloudy day. So we can't see the sun in cloudy day. So here the moon and the stars are seen at night. We can see moon, stars at night time, isn't it? So in daytime we can see the sun, but in night time we can see the moon and stars. Yes or no? Yes. So we can say that the sun and the moon and they are the earth neighbors. So we can clearly say that. So sun and the moon are the neighbors of the earth. Yes. So here first we are going to know about the sun. So first the sun. S-U-N. So here sun. So here the sun is star made up of burning gas. So we can't see the sun clearly, isn't it? So it is burning star. We called it sun as a burning star. So here it is the center of the solar system. We already know that sun is the center of the solar system. So here sun is in the center, so all planets move around the sun. So here we can see that sun is the center of the solar system. So here it is much bigger in size. Sun is very much bigger in size. Okay. So if we compare to the earth, sun is very much bigger in size. So here all planets move around the sun. So here all planets move around the sun. So sun is the center of the solar system. It is a burning star, okay, made up of burning gases. So here the sun is very important to us. Sun is very important to us. Why? Because of, yes, it is source of life. Sun is source of life, okay, since it gives us light and heat. Sun is the source of life to us. It gives light and heat, isn't it? It gives what it gives? It gives light and heat, isn't it? So here plants prepare food in the presence of sun. So here plants also produce food, isn't it? So here plants produce food. Plants produce food in the presence of, yes, sun, isn't it? So here, so in the presence of sunlight, so sun is the source of life in the earth, so it gives light and heat. So in the presence of sunlight, plants produce food. Okay, so if the sun is not visible, so we can't live, because plants are not produce the food, isn't it? Without food we can't, yes, live. So that's why sun is very, very important. It is, that's why it's called the source of life. Sun is the source of life to us, isn't it? So here, sun, some energy obtained from the sun. So here we obtained some energy from sun. So the sun is the energy obtained from the sun is called the solar energy. Which energy obtained from the sun? So that energy called solar energy. Okay. So here this solar energy can be used to cook. Okay, to cook food in solar cooker. So in that solar energy, we cook the food. Okay, we cook the food. So here it can also be used light up the street at night, isn't it, and to run cars. So here it can be used to light up the streets at night, isn't it? We can see the street lights at night, isn't it? At night we can see street lights. So here, so it is very important. Sun is very important. So without sun, plants can't produce food. So without food we can't live. We want energy now. We want energy. So that's why we want food. So in the presence of sunlight, plants produce food. So that's why sun is very important to us. Okay. So here the sun is the only body in the solar system which has its own light. I already told you now, sun has own light. Okay, moon reflects. Okay, so here, so sun in the solar system, sun have only its own light. Okay, so here this is about the sun. This is about the sun. Okay, so here next one is the moon. We can see the moon at night now. Yes, we can see the moon at night. So the moon is round like a ball. I already told you in the previous class now. So moon is also like a ball. So here it is closest neighbor of the earth. Moon is the closest neighbor of the earth. Okay. So here moon is much smaller size in the compared to sun. It is much smaller size. Moon is very small in size. So here it looks big because it has closest to the earth. Moon looks very big now at night. If you see the full moon, you can see that the moon looks very big compared to the sun. Why? Because it is nearest to the earth. So that's why the moon looks very big at night. Okay. So here, so compared to the sun, so moon is very small. Moon is very small in size. So here, so the moon moves around the earth. The moon moves around the earth. For example, I am here. So see here. So this is sun. Okay, this is sun. Okay. So here this is earth. Okay, this is earth. So here this is the earth. This is moon. Okay, this is moon. This is moon. What happened? It moves around the earth. Okay, this moves around the earth. This moon moves around the earth. Don't confuse it, okay? So the earth moves around the sun. Here moon moves around the earth. So that's why the moon looks very closest to earth, isn't it? So here this is the closest neighbor to earth also, okay? So here it is also called the natural satellite, okay? So here this move around the earth. So here, so it just reflect, moon don't have its own light, but it's reflect from the sun, okay? It's reflect from the sun, okay? So here, and it also called the natural satellite. Satellite means what? Yes, satellite means the object can be sent to the space, okay? The object can be sent to the space to get some information about the space, okay? So that's the we can see the two types of satellites, the man-made satellite and here natural. The moon is the natural satellites. We are sending the satellites now. Yes, so that's called artificial satellites. So the moon is natural satellite, okay? And so here that what if we are sending the satellites means that satellites, what happen, that satellites moves around the planets, yes or no? Yes, it's give the pictures of space, isn't it? For example, we can see in mobiles weather conditions are given in the notifications of mobiles, isn't it? So that the information sent by the, yes, that information sent by the satellites. So it gives the what? Information about the space. So here we are sending artificial satellites, but moon is the natural satellite, okay? So the moon has no light its own. I already told you now. So the moon has no lights its own, okay? So here it shines because of sunlight falling on it. So it shines, moon shines because of the sunlight falling into the moon. So that's why the moon shines, isn't it? At night time we can see it, but we can't see the sun, isn't it? Even we can't see the sunrise also. So it is burning gas. We can see the moon at night. So here, so water was discovered on moon. Water was discovered. Water is very important to us now. If your life is possible on earth means why its life is possible on earth? Because here in the earth air and water is available, isn't it? So that's why life is possible on earth. So here in the moon water was discovered. So here on the moon in September 2009. In the 2009 water was discovered, okay? So but there is no air. Here is water is there, but what air is very important to us now. So but there is no air on moon, okay? Water is there but air is not there. So here, and then so life is not possible on the moon. Water and air is very important to us now. So water is there but air is not there. So that's why the life is not possible on the moon, okay? So here the first man to land on the moon is who? Yes, American astronaut. The first man to land on the moon is American astronaut. So here Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon, okay? So here he set foot on the moon on July 20. July 20, he set first foot on the moon. July 20, 1969. 1969. He was the first man to land on the moon. If I ask you the question, who was the first man to land on the moon, means Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. Okay. So here on the space mission Apollo 2nd, on the space mission Apollo 2nd, Apollo 2nd space mission. So he first man to land on the moon. Okay. So I have a good trick to remember his name. Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. Okay. When? July 20, 1969. Okay. So this is about the moon. This is about the moon. So next one is, yes, stars. We can see the stars at night now. There are large number of twinkling stars we can see in the sky. Stars. Stars. Okay. So there are many thousand stars in the sky. So we can count the stars in the sky? No, it is not possible. It is uncountable stars we can see in the sky, isn't it? Sun is one, moon is one, but the stars are large number. Thousands of stars we can see in the sky, isn't it? So here all stars have lights of their own. So here sun also have their lights own, but moon reflects from the sun, isn't it? So all stars have its own lights of their own. So they are huge ball of fire. Stars are huge ball of fire. So many stars are much larger than even the sun. So there are so many stars in the sky. It is much larger than the sun, isn't it? Much larger than the sun. So a moon is small, okay, sun is very big in size, but compared to the sun, stars are very much bigger than compared to the sun. So here they appear small because they are very far from us. So stars appear very small. If you can see in the sky, the stars appear very teeny, isn't it? Very small size. Why? Because it is far from us. Stars are very far from us. So that's why it appears very small. Here groups of stars form a pattern. Group of stars form a pattern. So that looks like figures of animals, and then people or things. If you see in the sky, some stars make a pattern, isn't it? So just you observe that stars make some figures of people, and then some things, isn't it? So stars make groups, isn't it? So such pattern are called constellations. So that we called it as a constellations. That patterns called as a constellations. Okay. So stars make a pattern in the sky, isn't it? So that patterns are called constellations. Called as constellations. Constellations. Okay. That pattern are called constellations. Okay. here we can see some figures of horses, isn't it? Horse, and then if you observe the stars now, it's look like faces of our nearest neighbors and something else, isn't it? So it looks like what things, like if you observe the stars means here we can see the horse riding, elephant, map, India map. So many stars make a pattern. That pattern is called constellations. We call it as a constellations. Okay. So here we can say the horse is very, we can see in the sky, isn't it? So makes patterns, and also we can see many things in the stars makes patterns, isn't it? So here, so they all are the neighbors of the earth. Sun, moon and stars are called the neighbors of the earth. We call as a neighbors. Okay. So here I just recap all the things once again. So here the sun is sun is a source of energy. It is very important to us. It gives light and heat, and plants in the presence of sunlight, plants produce food. Okay. So here we call as it the sun and the moons are the neighbors of the earth. The sun is star made up of hot burning gases. Okay. The sun is the made up of hot burning gas, and then sun is the center of the solar system. So it is the center of the solar system. Which is the center of the solar system means sun is the center of the solar system. The energy obtained from the sun is called the solar energy, and then the moon is the earth natural satellite. Which is the natural satellite of the earth is moon. Okay, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Okay, and then the moon has no light of its own. It doesn't have light its own. Okay, so here there are many thousands of stars in the sky. We can say that many thousands of stars we can see in the sky at night time. So the many stars make pattern. So that pattern is called as a constellations. Okay, this is all about the earth neighbors. The earth neighbors. Okay, I hope that you all are reading and studying. Okay, so these all things are very important. We are just studying about, yes, earth neighbor. So here I hope that you all are clearly understanding. So here this is all about the earth neighbors. Okay. Thank you, my dear students.